boy Jesse. We're here at Irwindale Speedway. Today is my first time ever to get the opportunity to drift at the infamous Irwindale Speedway. I got my beat up vet C606 right behind me. We got a bunch of drift cars here from Hot Pit Auto Fest. Today is the NIS Fest, which is like this Nissan festival or whatever. Obviously, I don't have a Nissan drift car. I got a Corvette drift car. So much cooler. But anyways, here to drift, here to have a good time. I will not, so there's two layouts. One layout does like the outer bank. One layout does the inner bank. The outer bank is for the guys with like full cages, full prep drift car. Mine is more of a street car, drift car. So I'll be doing the inner field, but it'll still be cool. It'll still be fun. I still get to drift at Irwindale. So I always wanted to do it. Eventually I'll get my car prepped in a way where I can do the outer bank and do like almost a Formula D style drift here. So anyways, getting the car ready. The car's looking good. Cars are loud here too. C6Z is ready to go. This thing has an R35 motor, a VR38, and a Supra drift car. Wow. That is crazy. This thing is absolutely nutty. Craziest Supra I think I've ever seen before. Wow, this thing is nuts. Drift car. It's crazy out here. We got folks drifting some really cool cars, super sick cars. Watch this thing right here. E46 LS swap. Right now we're driving the layout of the track right now, just trying to feel it out real quick. So probably shift gears. Second gear, there we go. But anyways, just slowly driving it just to kind of feel the layout. So you'll come off of here, you'll come downhill, and there's no outer zones or inner zones or anything like that. It's just a fun day. So you kind of be wherever you're at, just don't hit the cones. Anyways, come down here, you'll be drifting again, coming around here, looking for these other cones here. You know, you'll stay probably over here. Once again, don't hit the cones. Stay off of them, no reason. We come through here, drifting, and probably lay it out to the outside right here. Boom, you'll be coming around here. Going through here, you'll bring it back up through here. Drifting around here, coming around, and you'll bring it all the way out to the wall from there. I'm gonna do a warm-up lap here. We'll see how this thing goes. Gonna feel out the track. First time here doing this, so we'll see. These tires are a little bit slick. All right, gonna do my second warm-up lap. The first lap was a little slick. I gotta drop the air pressure on these tires. So that felt all right there. Once again, I gotta drop the pressures on these tires. But I need to go park. I think they're trying to give me a ride along. All right, so I did my first couple laps. There were warm-up laps, just trying to figure out what this track feels like, figure out what the car feels like. The track is definitely super slick, that's for sure. Some of the other drivers are saying the same thing for sure. I dropped my air pressure down another 5 pounds. Actually, I was at 25 PSI, dropped it down to 20. You know, there's some times where I drop this thing down to like 15 PSI. I don't want to do that today. 20 is probably the lowest I'll go. I'll just manage from there. But that should help a little bit. It won't be perfect, but it'll help some. And we'll go out there, get some more laps in, and waiting on some more people to want to do some ride-alongs. We'll do some ride-alongs too as well. Right now, I'll just go do maybe another couple solo runs real quick before, you know, I'll let some other people jump in for ride-alongs. Alrighty, gonna do a couple more laps right now. Good times. All right, we got Donald in the car. Do a little drift ride along.
First time drifting in a Corvette. Sheesh.
Yeah, that's like a fully prepped drift car right there.
Nice, nice.
Yeah. So one day my car will be like that. Right
there we
now,
go.
It's not.
There are K's on it, run the high bank, all that fun stuff.
That's fully competition ready.
There we go.
Yeah. I've driven a comp car before in Japan.
Oh, sweet. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, how was the trip to go see the new R?
It was great. It was really, really good. I loved experiencing that Japanese car culture out there.
I believe it. Yeah, if I ever end up getting the S15, maybe I'll have to come out there and look at it with you.
Dude, S15s are like, I want one.
Hell yeah. Good old SR20 blacktop.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Glad you liked it. This is my drift car. So you've never been in a drift car before? Okay, gotcha. It's fun. It's definitely a good time. Just warm up the tires real quick.
Oh my gosh, I might get scared.
Are you ready? Drifting, there's no like sharp corners with a lot of G-forces. You're sliding, so you don't really feel the G-forces. The only thing you feel is that transition. So you're like there, like it's a smooth sliding transition.
I guess it was just since I'm not the driver, like just the unexpectedness.
Yeah.
That part like still makes my stomach like butterflies. Like,
yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Why are we going together? Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. They're all together.
And they're 240s. All right, you ready?
No, I'm not. But I guess we're going anyway.
What an awesome day here at Irwindale Speedway. It's been super fun drifting here at this track. I did not get to run the high banks, but I got to run the low banks, the 3rd mile track infield, and it was super fun being able to do that. And towards the end of the day, I got the opportunity to run the little transition thing where it's kind of partially kind of similar to what the FD guys run, just a little bit. But it was super cool to be able to do that. Had a lot of fun. Big thanks to Hot Hit Auto Fest for putting this on. NIS Fest, all those guys. Really good time. Man, the car performed great today. No issues, which is great. You always want to come out here and have no issues. Have fun and no issues, and that's the name